So hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So a while back, I brought you guys this nice OBD2 scan tool. This one's Bluetooth here. So you use an app on your phone. Shows you if there's anything wrong with the car, if there's lights on, lets you reset it, all that good stuff. So I wanted to bring you guys another product from the same company. If you didn't like using your phone, this one here, same brand, but it's all in one. It has the screen on it. Works the same. A lot of great features. I always like to have these around, especially with these newer cars. You can get lights that go off for many reasons, and dealers will charge you sometimes $100, $150 to tell you what it is. This will tell you what it is if it's something major. So here's what it looks like out of the box. It's really easy to use. As you can see here, you just plug it into the OBD2 connector under the dash. And like I said, here's the charging cable for it. It'll let you know what's wrong with the car if you have a light on, let you take off the light. So then you'll know if it's something major, go to the dealer. If it's not, you can take the light off and you're on your way. And they aren't that expensive either. So like I said, it's nice to have depending on what you want. If you like this one or if you like the one that you just use your phone. But here's where it plugs in at. Really easy. So here's how the screen will look. And sorry for the glare, it's really hard to see it. I know. But it goes through the basic functions. So it'll run a diagnostics on your car. So say you're having a hard time starting your car, it'll tell you if your battery is weak, which is good to know. So you're not just guessing at it. So like I said, for the price, definitely pick one up for your car. No reason to spend $150, $200 to go to the dealer with it. But this is a nice one, nice colored display. It's touchscreen, really simple to use, has a home button even on it. You can just put it in your glove box. That way, even if you take a fuse out, there's certain fuses if you take out, it'll throw a check engine light on and you have to go to the dealer to take it off. Well, this will let you reset it. See, it goes through all the functions here. I don't have any lights on, so it's not really going to let me reset anything. But you'll get an idea of how it runs through the functions. Like I said, it's really basic. If you have a light on, it'll run through the diagnostic scan, and it'll tell you why the light's on, and then let you reset it. Now, if it's a problem and you just keep resetting the light, know that the light will come back on. So then it's a problem you're going to have to take to the dealer, of course, or a mechanic. But for basic information, if you just want to know before you go to the dealer and they're going to tell you something else, at least you can do a scan on it so you'll know, and then you can go from there from what they're going to tell you. So you won't be misled either. I'm just going in blind to it. So again, I would definitely pick one up. It's good to have, especially if you tinker with your car at all. Because I've pulled a fuse before, an airbag fuse by mistake, and the light would never go away. I had to go to the dealer and they charged me like $80. And this was years ago, just to remove it. But now, like I said, these scan tools are so good. They can remove it and you're on your way, as long as there's not a major problem. So definitely get it checked out, scan it and see what it says, and then you'll know. So I just like to bring this kind of stuff to you guys, save you guys some money, hopefully, because if you go to the dealer with every little thing you have, it can get expensive very quick. And at least this way, it'll tell you if there is a major issue. You know, sometimes there is and you have to get it fixed, but at least it's kind of steers you in the right direction. So I hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. Like I said, definitely check the link in the description. For this one, they have a ton of different ones. If you want the Bluetooth ones, they have those as well. But this is the standalone unit. So I hope everyone's having a good day out there. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.